The dedicated COVID journal viewer will know that I recently popped a tire on my cyclocross bike. So I need to change the tube. I got an idea though that I might have some tube sealant, and I found it.
All right, we got it. I'm gonna try it. New development, I'm not gonna try it because it's for Schrader valves only, and this bike has Presta, and the diameter of the valve hole will be too small. So I'm just gonna have to try the patch kit.
So you could probably see that I had lots of tubes available, but over the years I've had many patches fail and pretty much just given up on the idea. But since I had the time, and since the Marlin is back in service, I figured I'd at least give it a try. I suspected I had a snake bite type cut, which I confirmed. This is a cut that comes from a hard impact, and it's indicated by two snake bite looking holes in the inner tube. Whenever you replace a tire, you can go crazy kind of inspecting it and finding if there's anything in there. And since I had the time, I tried it. Here I am just sanding down the tube, cleaning it, and cleaning it with some isopropyl alcohol so the patch would stick to it. I wanted to let the alcohol dry naturally and completely, so I thought, why not clean the inside of the tire too. As I was cleaning, I found a little distress in the sidewall, and I checked for some more. And then, since I had the time, I decided I'd try to just reinforce that with a little bit of duct tape. Just little duct tape on the inside of the tire, just to give it a little bit more strength and not let that tube come through. And now we're to the patch. These are self-adhesive patches, which I found were actually a lot easier to work with, other than the ones that are vulcanizing that need some rubber cement. And it was just a matter of putting a little bit of air back in the tube, putting it on, getting it seated. These cyclocross tubes are way easier, and tires are way easier to put on than actual road bike. And there it is, unused tube. I wanted to check my work after a little bit of time, so what better thing to do than a little bit of wheelie practice. There's definitely a level of commitment that you need to make.
Okay.
And you can kind of tell when you get it. One of the key things I need to remember is to keep my finger over the rear brake. That way, if I start going too far back, I can just tap that brake, the front end will just set right back down. I think I made some progress in this little sesh. That one wasn't too bad. And in my old age, wearing down, done with the practice.
All right, this is the half-hour check. See if it's still good at a half hour.
Hopefully it'll hold air overnight, and if it does, we'll be ready to shred.